January 23rd, 1960. While the world looked up at the stars, two men were looking down, into the heart of the abyss. This is the story of the Trieste. It wasn't a submarine, it was a bathyscaphe, an underwater balloon filled with 22,000 gallons of gasoline. Its mission? To reach the Challenger Deep, the deepest point on our planet. 7 miles down, the pressure is relentless, 16,000 pounds per square inch. Suddenly, crack! A window shatters under the extreme cold. Don Walsh and Jacques Piccard had a choice: turn back or face the crushing weight of the Pacific. They kept going. When they finally touched the bottom, they saw it. Through the silt and the darkness, a tiny flatfish swam by. Life, in a place where science said it was impossible. They stayed for only 20 minutes, but their bravery changed history forever. The Atlantic Ocean holds a secret, a patch of water where the laws of physics vanish and ships become ghosts. Welcome to the Bermuda Triangle. December 1945, Flight 19, 5 bombers, 14 men. The sky was clear, yet the leader's voice crackled with terror over the radio. We don't know where we are. Even the ocean looks different. They were never seen again. No debris, no bodies, just silence. Is it magnetic anomalies? Giant methane bubbles rising from the deep? Or portals to another time? Compasses spin uselessly, radios die, and the sea remains a silent graveyard. The mystery of the Bermuda Triangle. Some call it a coincidence, others call it the devil's backyard.
The 1770s. Across the Atlantic, 13 colonies are held in the iron grip of the British Crown. But in the shadows of Boston, the spirit of rebellion is beginning to catch fire. 1. A cold December night. As tea crates crash into the dark harbor waters, a clear message is sent to the king. We will no longer be silent subjects. The silence of the countryside is shattered by the thunder of hooves. The warning echoes through the dark. The British are coming. The time for talk is over. Lexington, dawn. A single shot rings out, the shot heard round the world. Farmers and shopkeepers stand their ground, transforming into an army of patriots. July 4th, 1776. With the stroke of a pen, a new nation is born. A declaration that life, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness. The year is 1886. A colossal gift from France arrives in New York Harbor, gleaming like a new penny. Built with over 30 tons of pure copper, the Statue of Liberty stands as a brilliant, reddish-brown beacon of hope. But as the years pass, a silent transformation begins. Exposed to the salty sea air and harsh Atlantic storms, the copper starts to react. By 1895, the metallic luster fades into a dull chocolate brown as the first layers of oxidation take hold. The chemistry of liberty never stops. By 1903, the statue is no longer brown. A distinct greenish hue, a protective crust called patina, begins to cover the copper, shielding the metal from the elements. Today, we know her by this iconic seafoam green. What began as a shiny copper monument has evolved into a symbol of endurance, a transformation completed by nature,